The PlayStation DualSense Wireless Controller, Cosmic Red, is a premium gaming controller designed for immersive next-gen gameplay on PS5, while also supporting PC and mobile devices. With its striking red design and advanced sensory features, it delivers a deeper and more interactive gaming experience than haptic feedback technology. The controller features advanced haptic feedback that replaces traditional rumble motors with dynamic vibrations. This allows you to feel in-game actions like environmental effects, textures, and weapon impacts more realistically in your hands. Adaptive triggers. DualSense introduces adaptive triggers that provide varying levels of resistance depending on in-game actions. Whether you're pulling a bowstring or braking in a racing game, the triggers respond with realistic tension for enhanced immersion. Built-in microphone and headset. Jack. You can communicate easily with friends using the built-in microphone or connect a headset via the 3.5mm jack. A dedicated mute button lets you quickly turn voice capture on or off during gameplay. Iconic design and Cosmic Red finish. The Cosmic Red variant features a bold two-tone red design inspired by cosmic shades, giving it a stylish and premium look. The ergonomic shape ensures comfort during long gaming sessions. Create button for content sharing. The new Create button allows players to capture screenshots, record gameplay, and share content easily, building on the legacy of the Share button with more creative options. Built-in battery and USB-C. Charging. It includes a rechargeable battery with USB-C support, allowing you to charge while playing. This ensures longer, uninterrupted gaming sessions with faster and more convenient charging. Motion sensors and integrated speaker. With built-in accelerometer and gyroscope, the controller supports motion-based gameplay and compatible titles. The integrated speaker adds another layer of immersion by delivering in-game sounds directly from the controller. Overall, the PlayStation DualSense Cosmic Red controller stands out as one of the most immersive and visually appealing controllers available, combining innovative features with a bold design for a truly next-gen gaming experience.